Morning students, today I explain third C exercise. Okay, before starting this exercise you will write these divisibility rules in your fair notebook. Okay, so first rule is divisible by 2. Okay, so look 26, so its unit digit is 6. Its unit digit is 6. Okay, so if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, then 5, the unit digit is 5 or 0, so all numbers are divisible with 5. Okay, 10, divisible by 10. Look carefully, its unit digit is 0. Okay, so if one's unit digit is 0, okay, then it is divisible by 10. Okay, test of divisibility of 3. Okay, if sum of digits, look 150, 1 plus 5 plus 0 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Okay, so number is also divisible by 3. Okay, look at the divisibility rule of 6. Okay, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, look carefully, 4, 5, 3, 6, it is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, so it is divisible by 6. Look at the 9, divisibility rule of 9, it is same as divisibility rule of 3. Okay, the sum of digits 4, 6, 9, 8. Okay, 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 is 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. Okay, so number is also divisible by 9. 4, divisibility rule of 4. Okay, look at this number. This is very big number. Okay, so look at the only 36. 36, last two digits. Okay, 36 is divisible by 4, so number is also divisible by 4. Okay, so look at the divisible rule of 8. Okay, look at the last 3 digit only. Look at this big number, only look at last 3 digits, 552. Okay, it is divisible by 8, so number is also divisible by with 8. Okay, why we are doing these divisibility rules? Because you need not the long division. Okay, last rule is the divisible rule of 11. Okay, look at this big number, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 4. Okay, so odd number you take, 1, 3, 7. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 7, 1, 3, 4, 4, 7, 11. Okay, now take odd numbers. Okay, sorry, you take even numbers. So even numbers are 2 and 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, now take difference. Difference is 11 minus 7. It is 4. Okay, sorry, you look even numbers again. 2 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, so it is when you add 4, it is also 11. Now concentrate on this. Okay, so the sum of digits in odd place is 11. Sum of digits of even place is 11. So difference of two number is 11 minus 11, 0. So if difference is 0, 11, 22, okay, means multiple of 11. So number is also divisible with 11. Okay, let us start the exercise third C. Okay, first question is use divisibility test, determine 3692,814 is divisible by 2. I am solving for last part of this exercise. You always think that the last part is difficult. Okay, other part you will solve yourself. Okay, so we find out it is divisible by 2. Okay, so look at the last unit digit. Okay, that unit digit is 4. So it is divisible by 4. So you will write yes, 3692,814 is divisible by 2. Okay, because its unit digit is 4. Okay, other part you also can take help of examples. Look at the second question. Use divisibility test, determine 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 0, 5 is divisible by 5. Okay, so same rule. Okay, here unit digit is 5. Okay, so it is divisible by 5. Okay, so what is divisibility rule of 5? If unit digit is 5 or 0. So here is 5, so it is divisible by 5. So you write yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 0, 5 is divisible by 5 because its unit digit is 5. Yes, look at third question. Use divisibility test, determine 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 4 is divisible by 10. So here also you look unit digit should be 0, but here is 4. So it is not divisible by 10. Okay, because its unit digit is 4. Okay, look at the fourth question. Use divisibility test, determine 654032 is divisible by 3. Okay, so look carefully. When we add, what is divisibility rule of 3? You add these digits. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 0, 3, 2. Okay, if you add 6, 5, 11, 4, 15, 15, 3, 15, 3, 18, 18, 2, 20. So 20 is not divisible by 3. So number, so 654032 is not divisible by 3. Look at fifth question. Use divisibility test, determine 9887204 is divisible by 6. So what is divisibility rule of 6? When number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so firstly we check it is divisible by 2. So its unit digit is 4. So 9887204 is divisible by 2 because its unit digit is 4. Okay, then we add the digits. 9, 8, 17, 8, 15, 15, 7, 22, 22, 2, 24, 24, 4, 28. 28. Okay, check it again. When you add these digits, so its sum is 36. So 36 is divisible by 3. Okay, so it is divisible by 2 also. and it is divisible by 3 also. So 9887204 is divisible by 6. Sixth, okay, use divisibility test, determine 873450 is divisible by 9. So this divisibility test is also same as 3 divisibility test. Okay, so sum of digit 873450. Okay, 8 7 15, 3 18, 4 22, 22 and 5 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. Okay, so 873450 is divisible by 9. Look at 7th question. Use divisibility test, determine 576322 is divisible by 4. Okay, so in this divisibility rule you look last 2 digits, unit digit and tens digit. Okay, so 22. So 22 is divisible by 4? No. Okay, so this number is also not divisible by 4. So how you will write? 22 is not divisible by 4. So 576322 is not divisible by 4. Look at 8th question. Use divisibility test, determine 8 to 8 184 is divisible by 8. Okay, in this divisibility rule look at last 3 digits, unit, tens and 100 place digits. Okay, 184. So check 184 can divisible by 8. So 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So it is divisible by 23. So 828184 is divisible by 8. Next question. Use divisibility test, determine 900090 is divisible by both 5 and 10. Okay, so what is divisibility rule of 5? Look, unit digit. Unit digit is 0. Okay, so 900 is divisible by 5 because its unit digit is 0. Its unit digit is 0. Okay, similarly 900090 is divisible by 10 because same reason, unit digit is 0. Okay, so it is divisible by both 5 and 10.